Hi guys, welcome. My name is Vintesh Gowda and I'm studying computer science at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. So today's video will be about lists, tuples, dictionaries that are used in the Python programming. So let's start the video. Now we shall get into the introduction part. So what is a list? A list is a value that contains multiple values in ordered sequence. The term list value is a value that can be stored in a variable or passed to a function like any other value. A list typically looks like this. So in a list, the items which are the entries of a list are enclosed within a square bracket and they're also enclosed with or without a single quote. But the items are separated using a comma. A list begins with an opening square bracket and ends with a closing square bracket. The values inside the list are called items, and those items are separated with commas. So here are the examples for list, where the items are enclosed within a square bracket separated with commas and enclosed with or without a single quote. Now we shall discuss about getting individual values in a list using indexes. The integer inside the square bracket that follows the list is called an index. The first value in the list is at index 0, the second value is at index 1, and the third value is at index 2, and so on. Now we shall discuss about getting individual values in a list with indexes. Indexes can be only integer values and not floats. The span of 1.0 will cause a type error. List can also contain other list values. The values in this list of lists can be accessed using multiple indexes. So here is the example. Now we shall get know about getting a list length using the len function. The len function, which means length of a string or list, will return the number of values that are in a list value passed to it, just like it can count the number of characters in a string value. So here is the example. So spam contain the number of list, that is cat, dog, mice. So total items in the list are 3. Now we shall discuss about tuples. So what is a tuple? The tuple is a data type is almost identical to the list data type except in two ways. First, tuples are typed with parentheses, that is curly brackets, instead of square brackets. The second, tuples are immutable, which means one created you cannot modify the elements of a tuple. Lists are used when a collection that changes over a time. Tuples are used to represent fixed collection of values such as coordinates, settings, or database records where data integrity is to be ensured. So where are the examples of a tuple data type? Which means the items of the tuple are enclosed within a curly bracket. So here is the converting type of for the tuples with the list and tuple functions. So here the list can be converted into tuple. The function list and tuple will return list and tuple versions of the values passed to them. Now we shall discuss about dictionaries. So what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of many values. Indexes for dictionaries can be used many different data types and not just integers. Indexes for dictionaries are called keys, and the key with its associated value is called a key value pair. A dictionary is a type with braces, curly brackets, or flower brackets. My cat. So the my cat has the size fat, color gray, height tall, which means this assigns the dictionary to the mycat variable. Mycat dictionary's keys are size, color, and height. The values for these keys are fat, gray, and tall, respectively. So now we'll see the differences between the dictionaries and lists. Items in dictionaries are unordered, where the lists are ordered. The first item in a list named spam would be spam of 0. There is no first item in a dictionary. To determine whether two dictionaries are the same, it does not matter in what order the key value pairs are typed in a dictionary.